Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HostGator email using cPanel Webmail. Whether you're running a small business or just starting your site, having a professional email address makes your brand look credible and keeps your messages organized. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to the HostGator website. On the top right corner, click the Sign In button. Enter your HostGator login details to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on the HostGator dashboard. This is your central hub for managing hosting and email settings. Inside the dashboard, look for the option labeled Professional Email. Click on it to begin creating your new mailbox. Now, choose the domain you want to use for your email. This makes your email address match your website. For example, info@yourdomain.com. Select your domain from the list and click Continue. Next, enter the username you'd like before the @sign. This could be your first name or something functional like contact or support. Pick something that fits your business or personal use. Once you confirm your username and domain, click Continue again. That finalizes your email setup. You can repeat this process to create multiple emails if needed. Now that your email is ready, remember a few best practices. Check your inbox regularly, keep your folders organized, and add a professional signature for polished communication. And that's it. You've successfully set up a professional HostGator email with cPanel Webmail. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.